So yeah, man, I just cracked the code. I told you I'm brilliant. I'm like a mad scientist. I sat back and I dissected all these videos that I seen on YouTube and I made it work. You feel me? I only got 300 subscribers right now, but my last video I had 260 and my followers jumped. And that been in less than a week. So if you struggling to get followers, if you struggling to get subscribers right now on this platform, YouTube, I'm gonna give y'all my honest advice for anybody got less than 1,000 subscribers. All right, I'm gonna get straight to it. This numero uno. The first thing I want y'all to do, be honest with you, I want y'all to copy. Look at the most successful YouTubers that y'all see on the platform right now that's doing numbers, and I want y'all to copy the thumbnail and the title. The information that's on the video is something that I want y'all to make it unique and cater to your own style so you don't sound like a robot. You feel me? So at the end of the day, you want to bring your own personality, you want to be real, and you want to be genuine. But I definitely want y'all to copy because a lot of times people, when I see that's on YouTube, y'all just being yourselves and ain't nothing wrong with being yourself. But at the end of the day, you have to copy and see what's work so you could put your own twist on it so you can get those same type of results. Use what's working and don't reinvent the wheel. It's that important. It's super important because every channel has its number. Right now, I only got 300 subscribers, so I can't even say that I hit my number. But I am constantly uploading YouTube videos. And what's crazy, the last 5 videos that I posted, this one will be the 6th, right? This one will be the 6th, but the last 5 videos I recorded myself, edited myself, and published myself. So you don't need fancy equipment. All I got is an iPhone and a mic. And there's a lot of information on this platform and you going to get it from your favorite YouTuber. So the best place to do it, or the best way to do it so you grow your following because you got less than 1,000, is duplicate what works, right? Duplicate. So a better word than copying is duplicate. So if that make you feel better, duplicate what you see will work from the successful YouTubers that you see on this platform because they all doing it. And I don't want y'all to keep bumping your head against the wall looking for different results. And y'all just using any old title. Today's vlog. Stop vlogging too. Vlog do not work. How-to videos. Be more strategic about how you posting it, what you posting, and what value you want to give out. Because YouTube is a search engine. So if you put in a certain amount of information out, YouTube gonna put that information in front of those people. So if you just putting any type of information out and you're not putting the proper title, don't have the proper thumbnail and the proper description in your videos, YouTube don't know who to put your video in front of. So you can't be here just so, I guess you say, vague. You gotta come on there with a purpose. So that's why I want you to duplicate. That's why I want y'all to keep posting because every channel has its number. I don't know when my number is. I only got 300 subs right now, but the last video I had 260. And one video jumped it in less than a week. So learn how to talk in front of the camera. Like, learning to talk in front of the camera is not easy. I didn't even want to do this video right now, but I understand business first, right? So if we want to handle business first is getting in front of that camera, pressing that record button and just talking and putting value in front out there so you can help others. So if you want something, you got to help others. So if you want $1 million, go help 1 million people. And you won't have more than enough what you want. So the reason probably why you stuck is because you didn't help enough people. So think about how you can help individuals when you come in and posting these videos, or even when you're recording the video. You got to have that end goal in mind. Like, who's this advice helping? Because I see a lot of people on YouTube, the quality doesn't really matter too much, but they just put any type of information out there. Learn how to talk in front of the camera. It's not easy, but you're definitely worth it. And honestly, just keep recording. You will get better with it. And then another trick is too, on a lot of these videos, I mess up all the time, but what's so beautiful about that editing and that edit button, you could edit it up, sauce it up, and make it look real nice. So it don't matter who sees it, because at that time, they don't know what you did to get the production where it's at. They don't know all the bloopers. Even in some of the $1 billion movies we see in Hollywood, they got hella bloopers, but you don't see it because how they edit it. And it's the same thing when it comes to when you learn how to edit. So Just stay cautious of that. If you recording, don't be scared to talk in front of the camera because you got the power of editing it. So just being genuine. Being genuine is something super important because I see a lot of robots on the internet, and that only could be me. And that's something special that everybody got, because you could do anything in the world. You could be anything in the world, but you can't be me. That's my superpower. You can't take that away from me. And I can't be you. So the best thing for you to do is to put yourself out there, and whoever this information is meant to attract, you will get it as long as you put the right information out there, got the right title, got an attractive thumbnail, and the value is there. You're gonna find somebody like me. So that's probably how you found me, because I had the right title, the thumbnail attracted you, right? And hopefully this value help you go to the next level. So all this stuff I'm saying, duplicate it, put it to work, and I guarantee you're gonna see results. But at the end of the day, I want y'all to understand you have to be consistent. Consistency meaning not just dropping one video every other month. No, drop a video every week and do that consistently for a year. So this right here, I'm locked in. Like I told you, I'm not posting on any other platform but YouTube right now. This is the only platform, and y'all can follow me on my other platforms and see if I'm capping on that. But I'm not using any other platform. It's YouTube from here on out. So I want y'all to understand, I'm being consistent with this platform. I'm going to feed the platform my energy, my information, and you're going to see a lot more of me rolling out, because I tend to make this as a business first, so I'm handling it. So I'm being consistent with dropping these videos. I want y'all to be consistent with dropping videos, because I want to get to know everybody that's in the mob. I want to get to know everybody in the community. And if I could get to help you, that's super, super important to me. Like, so if I can help you, drop a question in a comment, I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna put it out there, because business, that's me. Branding, that's me. Marketing, sales, that's me. I've been an investor for about the last 7 years. So it's a lot of information on this platform that I could share. And that's what I tend to do for the rest of my life, to be honest with you. So until I got my own platform, I'm gonna run this platform all the way up. And I wanna tell you something that most creators won't admit, but hitting 1,000 subs not easy. I see creators posting on YouTube for years and not even over 100. So I want y'all to know it's not easy, but at the end of the day, the more consistent you are with it, the better you're gonna get. I ain't saying that you're wrong, but the way that you might be going about it or thinking about it might be holding you back. So I want y'all to understand, it's power in volume, it's power in engaging. Comments, comment back. Go to other people, small YouTubers or any YouTubers, comment, like their posts, subscribe, engage. You want to actually build an audience. So anybody that comments under my videos, I'm commenting, because I know it's not, you don't have to do it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day. So if I see you comment and you took your time and effort out your day to comment on one of my videos, to ask me a question, or even just to salute me, I'm gonna comment back, because I respect that. That's like you walking down the street and somebody say what's up or nod their head and you just turn your nose up and don't say nothing. Like, don't be a bammer, address the person, say what's up. You know what I mean? So if you on this platform and you drop a comment, I'm gonna comment back. So why don't you do the same for the people that's on your videos? It's so many different facets that goes into building a video. It's storytelling, it's editing, it's the equipment, a value you have to learn. But I want y'all to understand, like, take it one step at a time. Like, if it's hard for you to tell stories and get in front of the camera, take your time. For the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, focus on editing. Do the same thing at a step at a time, so you get grow and be better week by week or month by month. So don't try to master it all at once. Take your time. Don't burn out. That's another thing, is I feel like if you focus on getting those subs so much and you just thinking about, oh, I need to get 1,000 subs. I need 1,000 subs to get monetized. You gonna get burnt out. Me, I don't care, because I understand that I'm building a catalog. I'm taking a marathon approach. You feel me? So this is not a sprint. This is something that I'm gonna be building for years and months to come. So definitely look forward to more of my content, but I definitely want y'all to just compartmentalize it. Just focus on one thing at a time, step by step, and slowly you'll be able to, you know what I mean, crawl, walk, then run. So take your time and don't beat yourself up. Like, if it was easy, everybody would do it. And if it was easy, you might not see me here. Because if it's easy, it's not normally it's not worth it. You feel me? So you think about it. Some of the hardest challenges comes with the most beautiful gifts. You feel me? So where there's risk, there's reward. But if you don't risk nothing, you get nothing. So I definitely want y'all to understand, like, submit and actually commit to putting that time, energy, and effort towards something that you want to do. So if it's hitting 1,000 subs so you get it monetized because you got a business outside of this platform that you want to grow, commit. Master one thing at a time, and slowly but surely, you're going to get there. And I want you to think of yourself just like a vehicle, just like a car. You driving and you doing your thing right, you getting to A to B, but sooner or later you have to pull over to that gas station and fuel up. So think of yourself in the same way. Like, treat yourself as your own biggest fan. Ain't nobody a bigger fan than myself than me. You feel me? So with that being said, like, I'm constantly feeding myself the proper information. I'm watching my diet, what I eat, what I read, what I watch, what I hear. So I want y'all to do the same thing. So be your biggest fan, but more importantly than that, for everybody that comment on your actual videos or everybody that sub, treat them like they VIP. Like, if you come with me, man, you already know we getting front door service. We ain't touching no door handles. Doors getting open. We getting ushered to our seats. Well, that's the same type of experience I want y'all to feel when y'all actually click that subscribe button and y'all watch my videos. So at the end of the day, y'all comment, I'm responding back because I genuinely want to know how I can help y'all or how this video helped y'all, inspired y'all, whatever the case may be. So everybody VIP. And like I told you, this is the mob. So we masters of business. Said God first, family second, and business always get handled. God first, family second, and business always get handled. And with that being said, we're gonna wrap it up with this. Like I said, every YouTube channel got their own number. I haven't hit my number yet, but I'm gonna continue to put this value out here. But more importantly, you're gonna outlast the quitters. I want y'all to focus on that because when you run the marathon and we on this 8-figure marathon, we gonna outlast all the quitters. Over 95% of the people gonna quit and say, hey, this not for me, it didn't work, but they didn't put the work in. So we gonna outlast the quitters and we gonna be consistent. And pretty soon, you're gonna see us at top. So man, make sure you sub, you know what I mean? Connect with me. I'm gonna definitely reach back out and we gonna go to the top together. If you Spanish, Prada La Luna. That means we going to the moon.